Person. In a peaceful land, where nature's beauty danced with the wind, there once lived a young prince named Siddhartha. Person Siddhartha was sheltered from the world's sorrows, surrounded by luxury and comfort. Person. One day, he ventured beyond the palace walls and witnessed old age, sickness, and death, realizing the impermanence of life. Person. Touched by the suffering he saw, Siddhartha renounced his princely life and set out on a quest for truth and enlightenment. Person. For days and nights he meditated, seeking understanding and peace. Person. Mara, the tempter, tried to lead Siddhartha astray, but Siddhartha remained steadfast in his quest. Person. Finally, under the Bodhi tree, Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment, realizing the Four Noble Truths and the path to end suffering. Person. He spent the rest of his life teaching the Dharma, spreading a message of compassion and wisdom to all who would listen. Person. At the end of his journey, Gautama Buddha achieved nirvana, a state beyond suffering, like a lotus blooming in muddy waters, untouched by the world's troubles. And so, the story of Gautama Buddha, the lotus of compassion, continues to inspire and guide people on the path to enlightenment. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more motivational stories.